Hi, I'm Tasman and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create a tinted eyebrow gel using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First, log in, select the makeup program and then click on eyebrow gel formula and then click create. First I'm going to select my styling polymer and I'm going to select the PVP. Next is my humectant and I'm going to select the propane diol. For my thickener, I'm going to go with the Carbama 980. Next is my solubilizer, and I'm going to go with the Polysorbate 20. For my lipids, I'm going to select the argan oil as it's great on the hair. I want my eyebrow gel to have a nice scent to it, so I'm going to select a fragrance. Next is my preservative, and I'm going to pick the Yuxil. And last but not least is my colorants. So I'm going to select the blue, red and yellow to make a light blonde tinted eyebrow gel. And then click on Generate Method. And there you have a full formula method, and now it's time to get into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make a tinted eyebrow gel using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own eyebrow gel. Happy formulating!